Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everyone, especially to Dr. Fairuz and to my fellow friends. I am Nur Izzah Fatin binti Osman, KIL 180071, will be doing a presentation about a type of plastic which is polyethylene terephthalate PET. So, PET is a type of plastic to make plastic bottles. It is commonly used in mineral water and household items such as peanut butter jar, salts, and spices. Why PET is always chosen? This is because it is ultra lightweight, lower carbon footprint, and it has a high rate of recyclability. So here we can see what is interesting about PET. It is recyclable, produce less waste, and it also emits less greenhouse gas. So how is it made? From here, we can see the symbol of PET. You know it's a type of PET plastic if you see the symbol, especially at the bottom of a drinking bottle. Okay, polyethylene terephthalate is a type of polyester. Polyester is made industrially by the condensation polymerization of decarboxylic acids, benzene 1,4-decarboxylic acid, and dehydrate alcohols, ethylene glycol, ethane 1,2-diol at the range of 423 to 473 Kelvin. Monomers that are produced by the process were bonded into long polymer chains that makes plastic in the form of small polymer pellets. These pellets are then melted at manufacturing plants and form molds. Molds will be hardened and cooled, which will form the body of desired products. So this is the chemical reaction. And then now we want to see what happens to the end life of present plastic. So firstly, plastics that are improperly disposed will end up in landfills. Rainwater will flow through this waste and the acid from rainwater will react to form some water-soluble compounds that are highly toxic. Leachate, which is a harmful liquid, will be created. Leachate is harmful to the ecosystem as it can be absorbed by the soil and nearby stream. Wildlife that lives in the stream and crops that are grown nearby will be highly affected when the source of water is polluted by leachates. Second, it forms a Great Pacific garbage patch. Water bottles that are irresponsibly thrown into the river will then reach the ocean after some time, and then it will accumulate into an island of garbage, which is called the Great Pacific Garbage. Garbage accumulated includes all the other trash, can endanger some animals such as birds or even marine life such as turtles. Birds can get entangled in other mess such as fish nets. Turtles can mistakenly eat vibrant colored garbage. This will pass toxins to the food chain where humans are at the end of it. So the third one, it will be recycled. Responsible consumers will recycle and dispose them into the orange bin. Plastic bottles will be processed so that it can become raw material that can be used to create another product such as plastic chairs, umbrella, clothing, and etc. So here's the process of the recycling. So what can we prepare a more eco-friendly option for our Mother Earth? Yes, of course we can. There are many types of plastic. Instead of using a PET, we can opt for type 5 plastic, which is polypropylene PP. And then for your info, PET is a type of plastic that is meant for single use only, and it can be harmful if it is used more than once. PP, polypropylene, is a safer plastic for food and drinks. It is also microwavable. By doing this, we can reduce the demand of PET plastic and practice carrying a water bottle, which is ethical, sustainable, and eco-friendly. These are the examples of the cute bottles that you can bring around. Thank you for watching my video.